Hello everybody, Dr. Rick Wallace dropping in on you to wish you a very happy holidays. Whether you celebrate Christmas or not, whether you celebrate Kwanzaa, whether you do not celebrate any commercial holidays. I'm not one to celebrate holidays, but I am one to definitely celebrate family. And so I want to, first of all, encourage you during some trying times. Trust me. Not very few people have been untouched by the economic downturn directly associated with this pandemic and the way that it's being handled and presented. And so I want to encourage you to keep your head up, to stay focused, to believe this is not the end. We are built for much more challenging times than what we're experiencing now. We are developed on the inside to overcome the obstacles that are presented in front of us. We do not have to break. We do not have to fold. We do not have to give in. We do not have to turn down. I'm here to tell you that no matter where you're at, no matter what you're going through, no matter where you're at in your marriage, no matter where you're at in your finances, in your business, in your academic career, in your desires and yearnings, in whatever way it is in life, no matter where you're at, you can still move towards your destiny. Your destiny cannot be denied by circumstance. Anything that presents itself in front of you in an attempt to stop your destiny only ensures that it happens. I want you to be very clear in understanding what I'm trying to share with you right now. At the Visionetics Institute, one of the things we focus on is gratitude, because gratitude is the gateway to abundance. Find something to be thankful for. Find something to be grateful for. And you're going to find that the moment you start developing a heart and a mind of gratitude, you'll start to see the problems in your life start to diminish, become smaller, become manageable, become maneuverable. Why? Because gratitude shows you what's possible. Gratitude creates anticipation for something special, something better, something greater. You have everything you need inside of you to totally blow the roof off of what's going on right now. Do not fold, do not give in, do not turn around. For those of you who would love to work with me to close out the year, I have a couple of openings. I would love to work with you guys. I'm going to put the links on how you can reach me in the description box, and we are going to close out the year strong. In the first 3 years of 2021, we're going all out to set the tone for the remainder of the year. And we're not going to be deterred or minimized by circumstance. Yes, this has been a tough year, but I've found some of my greatest blessings within these challenges. Is it everything that I thought it would be? No. Is it everything that I wanted it to be? No. There are so many things I wanted to do that I haven't been able to get done, but I will get them done. I have been slowed down. I have experienced delay, but delay isn't denial. And that's what you have to understand, is that I don't care who you are, where you're at in life, you're going to have some challenges. You're going to experience some setbacks. That is not what will define you. What will define you is